Along with a clear focus of what you're demonstrating as a skill set, the way your content is organized is equally as important. I will highlight a few examples of portfolio structure for you to consider as you plan your portfolio concept. In this first example, the portfolio author structures his content in a traditional resume format. You'll see traditional components of a resume such as education, technical expertise, as well as work history, along with a catalog of assets he showcased for examples of his work. The design is simple and familiar, although not as progressive as the next set of portfolios I'll present. In this portfolio, you will see a slick web design aesthetic with a creative agency feel. At the top portion of the page, the author provides quick intro, as well as links that will inform the viewer of her skills, abilities, and work character. At the lower portion of her home page, she has thumbnails to links for examples that are categorized by content type, such as web development skills and learning experience design. This portfolio example has a more progressive web design interface that may be more familiar to the modern-day web viewing audience. The portfolio author also took an all-encompassing approach, providing details about her experience, which you can reach through the LinkedIn resume link, along with a link out to her portfolio. You'll also notice that she uses the platform to serve as a thought leader, sharing various blog posts. This portfolio approach utilizes a streamlined web design which could be easily mimicked using standard web-based content management systems such as Weebly or WordPress. In this last example, the author takes a similar approach as in the previous portfolio: showcase skill set and demonstrate thought leadership, which he does through his tutorial links. Taking this approach is a great way to expand on how you want the audience to view you professionally. What I particularly like about the way he presents his portfolio content is the use of a summary for each example. I think this is especially helpful in respecting the portfolio audience time, allowing viewers to understand the value of the content before choosing to explore further. I hope you enjoyed these examples. I will share the links to all of the portfolios presented at the end of this presentation. Consider how you can utilize any of these approaches, as well as possibly combining these approaches to provide a portfolio experience that is representative of who you are as well as your skill set.